Welcome to this Broadcom course on the installation and configuration of Automation AI. In this video, we demo the installation. Automation AI is installed in a multi-system environment. We use a Service Manager dialog for demo purposes. To show the environment, we have a dedicated system for AE, which is started. We will install Automation AI here. We have a dedicated system for the web interface, which should be started so that we can interact with the intelligent assistant. Finally, we have a Windows system called Agent with an agent and analytics. Postgres is installed here. Later, we'll move the Automation AI component to this system. In the Windows host file system, we find the Postgres directory. Let's update the configuration file. Add the line under IPv4 connections. You can restart Postgres. Execute the database creation script provided by Broadcom, found in the DB directory of the Automation AI install package. You are prompted for the Postgres admin password twice. You can check pgadmin. If the script execution was successful, you will see your database. Update UC, System, Settings with the 3 variables. This is the AE host. Note that SSL is not enabled by default, and so the URL is a basic HTTP. The timeout variable expires REST requests after 10 minutes if the API does not respond. The credentials variable allows the generation of tokens for AE and the Automation AI REST API to communicate. This last variable is a requirement. On the AE host, copy the Automation AI install package to the target host location. This is the file system. Automation AI needs to be configured prior to start. For this, use application.properties. First, set the port of the Automation AI server. This should match the UC system settings value. Then set the LLM of choice. Further down, you'll find different configuration sections for the LLMs. Since OpenAI is selected, enter the key and chat model for the connection to be established. Finally, enter the database details: JDBC URL, username, password, and driver. Uncomment each line. Add the jar launcher to the Service Manager to control Automation AI as a service. If you have a dialog installed somewhere, it's also easy to add it there and then control it immediately. Test in the web interface to see if Automation AI works. If you run into issues, you can check the log in the logs directory.